In this video we'll be looking at breadboards and LEDs. First up, LEDs. The first box of LEDs came from eBay, super cheap. If you want lots of LEDs to play with, this is a good way to go. The second is a Velleman kit, 2 different sizes and in red, yellow and green. Kits like this cost a bit more, but the variety is good to have. Third is the remains of a King Bright sample box. Lots of places sell them, but I got lucky and got this little lot for free. You can see some of the different types of LEDs in the box. There's a dual 7-segment display, which is really just 16 LEDs in a single package. You can get big packages with 2 LEDs of the same colour. The variations are almost endless. Okay, the most common type for tinkering is the 5mm leaded package. It has a single diode with 2 legs, one leg being the anode, the other the cathode. These are easy to tell apart. The cathode has the shorter leg. Also, there is a flat on the lip of the package. The anode has the longer leg. The next item needed for an LED is a resistor. There is a simple calculation to work out the value required for a given LED at a voltage, but I won't go into that now. Generally, a resistor of at least 330 ohms and up to 4K7 will light up an average LED when running on 5 volts. For this, I'll also be using 2 pins from a pin header strip, so I can connect a battery pack to the breadboard. Right, breadboards. Very simple bits of kit. They are covered in holes. Behind the front panel are lots of metal strips that connect some of the holes together. The breadboard I use is connected up like the one on the left. It's quite large, but as your projects get bigger and more complex, a bigger breadboard will help hugely. The mini breadboard on the right is used quite commonly on Arduino shields, which are small boards that plug into the top of an Arduino. This one is from Adafruit Industries. Same principle, just a lot smaller. Right, let's build a circuit. First, I plug the pin header into the red and black rails. Second, I plug the LED in so the anode, long leg, is connected to the red rail. This will be 5 volts. The cathode, short leg, will go to a free row on the breadboard. Third, the resistor is connected. The resistor has no polarity, so one leg is connected to ground, the black rail, and the other leg is connected to the same row as the LED's cathode. We now have a complete circuit. The circuit will be going from ground, through the resistor, then the LED, and finally back to 5 volts. Let's connect up a battery, which is upside down, and see what happens. And there we have a nice red light. This is only one small step from connecting up to your Arduino. More on this in the next video. If you found this useful, don't forget to subscribe.